Hello, good afternoon everyone. I would like to present the result of our study is about student mathematical literacy skill with STEM approach by Debbie Carrera, Tita Halis Mariati, and Kadir in event Forward Together 2024 International Conference on Science and Engineering for Humanity. Well, let me go on with the PowerPoint. We are going to structure of our presentation based on this outline is introduction, method, result and discussion, discussion of research result, conclusion and implication. Let me brief talk about the introduction. Okay, the next is introduction. Mathematical literacy skills are crucial in the digital era 4.0 as they emphasize the ability to analyze, reason, and communicate ideas effectively in solving mathematical problems. The PISA results show that Indonesia students lag in mathematical literacy. The government Merdeka Curriculum aims to address this through assessment of minimum competencies or AKM. However, recent data indicate that student mathematical literacy remains below the minimum competency level. This research explores the STEM approach as a solution to improve the skill. And then, in our research, the method is first, the research employs a quasi-experimental design with a randomized post-test control group. And there are two groups, experimental and control. We are given a final test. The experimental group is taught using the STEM approach, while the control group uses conventional method. The mathematical literacy consists of 5 description questions related to building space material. And then result and discussion. The test was conducted on two groups, namely the experimental group and the control group. The test was conducted at the end of the learning process by giving 5 descriptive questions on mathematical literacy on the material of building space. Based on the result of the post-test conducted on the experimental group and the control group, it was found that the STEM approach can improve student mathematical literacy, especially in the material taught, namely building space. To determine the effect of the STEM approach in improving student mathematical literacy skill, it is necessary to conduct a prerequisite analysis test. This prerequisite analysis test include a normality test and a homogeneity test. Okay, the next is result of mathematical literacy skill. The result of mathematical literacy skill is by show the table of 1 descriptive statistic of mathematical literacy skill. Okay, based on the data shown in the table of 1, there are different in descriptive statistic calculation between the two groups, experimental and control. The table shows that the highest value of the two class in the experimental group with a value of 75. Meanwhile, the lowest value of the two class is in the control group with a value of 35. The maximum value of experimental group is higher than the maximum value of control group with a value difference of 17. Based on the equation of these values, it can be interpreted that the highest individual student mathematical literacy skill are in the experimental group, while the lowest individual mathematical literacy skill is in the control group. Okay, the next is comparison of mathematical literacy, each indicator. There are 3 indicators is interpret, employ, and formulate. The achievement for the experimental group and control group on each indicator is as follows. Interpret, employ, and formulate can be read of figure. You can be rid of figure that show. Okay, and then is discussion of research result. The result indication that the STEM approach significantly improves student mathematical literacy skill compared to conventional method. The experimental group outperformed the control group in all 3 indicators. There is formulate, employ, and interpret. This finding align with previous research indicate STEM positive influence on mathematical reasoning skill that show that STEM can affect student mathematical reasoning abilities, which these mathematical reasoning abilities is part of ability mathematics from the component of mathematical literacy abilities. Okay, the last is conclusion and implication. The conclusion this research is STEM approach proved to be more effective in enhancing student mathematical literacy than conventional method. It can be a viable alternative to improve learning outcome and student achievement. Further research is recommended to explore the STEM approach across different mathematical topics or educational level. And thank you for watching this video and see you later. Bye bye.